So guys, welcome to our Nifty analysis for the next week. But before we start our analysis through connecting the dots strategy, we have to check what Nifty did last week. So Nifty opened, on Monday around 14,306, and the Friday closing was 14,347. So we can clearly see there was little movement in the market. Actually, there was no movement in the market and overall week, but overall range of 375 point was there, which is very small range, and it was we can say that there is no volatility at all. सो ना बियरिश ट्रेडर्स को ना बुलिश ट्रेडर्स को ज़्यादा कोई चांस नहीं मिला लास्ट टाइम पैसे अर्न करने का, प्रॉफिट अर्न करने का। एंड इसी के साथ साथ एक और हमें चीज़ देखने को मिली कि मार्केट में कोई भी क्लियर डायरेक्शन इस वक्त लास्ट वीक तक हमें नहीं मिला ताकि हम नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए कोई पोजीशंस ओपन कर सके, क्योंकि बहुत टाइट रेंज थी ऑफ 375 पॉइंट्स। उसके साथ साथ एक अच्छा पॉइंट ये है कि जो हम लोग आपको रेगुलर बोलते आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम द लेवल ऑफ 15,400 की मार्केट में एक बियरिश स्ट्रक्चर इंटैक्ट हो सकता है, और वो बियरिश स्ट्रक्चर अभी तक इंटैक्ट है, जो शायद 13,700 और 13,800 के लेवल्स पे एंड हो जाएगा, जो हमने आपको बहुत पहले से बार बार अपने ऑलमोस्ट हर वीडियो में हम आपको बताते हुए आ रहे हैं। सो ये सारी छोटी बातें आपका ध्यान रखनी है फॉर दी नेक्स्ट वीक एनालिसिस। तो इसके साथ साथ नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर एनालिसिस इन निफ्टी फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक, एंड लेट्स सी कि वहाँ पे हमें क्या पॉइंट्स देखने के लिए मिल सकते हैं जिसको हमें ध्यान रखना है, और हमारा ओवरऑल आउटलुक एज 5 सर्कल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड क्या बन रहा है आपके लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर एनालिसिस ऑन निफ्टी बाय एनालाइजिंग द चार्ट नंबर 1. So guys, in this connecting the dots strategy, this is chart number 1 which we are going to analyze, and we have already covered this chart before, but again for you I will explain this chart. So this is Nifty monthly chart where I have taken Heikin-Ashi candles, and on this Heikin-Ashi you can clearly see from last 12-month candles, like from the April low, it is not breaching the previous candle low. So from last 12 candles it is not breaching the previous candle low, and this is what a very positive point when we are analyzing Nifty, because April we have only 1 week to go, and if it has to respect the previous month candle low, which is the low of 13,830, that means for the month of April, for the next week, because we have only 1 week to go in April, so 13,830 is the low which it has to respect in the month of April, which is March month's low, and it has to respect that. So next week, 13,830 is going to be strong support. So this is chart number 1 on connecting the dots strategy. Let's move to chart number 2, where we will check something, another important point which is going to help you in analyzing the Nifty. So let's move to chart number 2. So guys, this is chart number 2 in front of you in this connecting the dots strategy, and here what we have taken is Nifty ka 3 weeks ka time frame chart, and from last 4 candles, or we can say from last 9 weeks, right, we can clearly see it is not breaching high and making lows every time. So it is showing the clear pressure from last 9 weeks and more than that, because we are in the fourth 3 weeks candle, where we can see that if highs are not breaching, then previous candle high is somewhere around 14,900, and but if we talk about the current month candle, current week candle, this one 3 week candle, then it is the high of 14,526 and 14,663, which you have to check and which we have to remember for the next week. So in the chart number 1 we have checked that it is very unlikely that Nifty is going to go below 13,830 levels. And on the second chart, which is connecting the dots strategy का जो second chart है, इधर पे हमें clear कट दिख रहा है कि 14,526 से 14,666 एक short term resistance है, और उसके ऊपर एक बहुत strong resistance है which is around 14,900. So resistance is clear, supports are clear. If we now it's time to move to chart number 3, जहाँ पे हमें और बाकी क्लैरिटी मिलेगी ताकि हमें मालूम चले कि एक्चुअली हमें निफ्टी में क्या करना है. So let's move to chart number 3. So guys, this is chart number 3, and here it is very interesting to see that moving average is going to give this strong support of our strong support of 14,000 70 to 14,100 levels in the next week, which is clearly visible here. So you have to check that if it has to reach the level of somewhere around 13,850 13,870, then it has to sustain below 14,070 to 14,100. So this is what you need to check for the next week. This is going to be immediate support, but ultimate support is 13,850 860, which we saw on the chart number 1, right? So now let's move to chart number 4 and 5. There we will check something very interesting, and then we will summarize this analysis. Let's move to chart number 4 and 5. So guys, this is chart number 4, and in chart number 4 we have just shown the negative trend and the structure which is going on from last March, and here we can clearly see the structure is negative. Prices are not making new highs, it is always making new lows. And this is the pure definition of bearish structure. So the short term structure is little bearish, and we have to hold this view unless and until it is not reaching till the level of 13,850. And if we move to chart number 5, we can clearly see that the prices was trading in a channel, which we can see here. It was the resistance and this was the support, and last week it has breached this support, and now it is trading below this support line. But below that there is one more support line which is coming around 13,700 to 13,800, and what we are anticipating is that stock might react like this. We can have one resistance here, and then we can see the downside till here, which will take the prices can take support around 13,700 to 13,800 levels. This is going to be strong support, which we have already checked in chart number 1. So this is the small analysis in connecting the dots process. If we check the summary of all these, then in the short term trend is still negative. That means you have to hold your short positions. Now overall resistance is going to be 14,900 to 950, and the immediate resistance what we can see is 14,650 to 14,700 at the most. That means if you are holding short, then you can create more short positions around 14,650 to 14,700 with the stop loss above 14,950, and the next week support is going to be 14,100. This is going to be first support, but overall we are bearish till 13,750 to 13,850. Our point of view, if you are going with our point of view, then stay short and add more short positions around the resistance level of 14,650 to 14,700, right? So this was the small analysis on Nifty for the next week through our strategy, that is connecting the dots strategy, which is a very powerful strategy. And what you have to just take care that please do not try to trade Nifty on the bullish side. Just be on the short side and hold your positions patiently. If we are right, then of course you are going to get at least 400-500 points on Nifty. So please guys, if you think that we have done our job properly and you really liked our analysis, then please do share this video with your friends and families, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.